Assalamu alaikum, it's me Ifra Syed. Hope you all are good. In this video we will do something different. I will try my best to teach you 3 different languages in a single video, and trust me, it will be very interesting. And before starting the video, let me tell you first how I got interest in Persian. As I was in Iran in 2022, and their Persian accent just took my heart. It is very sweet language, and their accent is too good. So from that day I started learning Persian, but I'm not too good in Persian as I'm Pakistani and my native language is Urdu, so I'm not too much good in Persian, but I know the basics of Persian. So I think it's the enough introduction. Let's move back to the video, and let me tell you another thing, that is, I don't know where, but I heard Persian is quite easier for the people who knows Pashto. So comment in the comment section, Pashtun people, that after watching the video, that is Persian language is similar to Pashto. Let me know this. Okay, let's move back to the video. Our first word is accomplish. I took this word from the English dictionary. It's the first word that starts with A, so it's accomplish. It's not the first word that starts with A, but I took the most common words that starts with A, and accomplish is the first word on the top of the list, so I took this word. Its English meaning is achieve or complete successfully. So I think it's a very easy meaning. I don't know, I think I don't need to explain it more. So the meaning of English, accomplish in English, is achieve or complete successfully. Let's move to its sentence. Its sentence is, the greatest revenge is to accomplish what others say you cannot do. So its English sentence is, I think so, very easy, and there is no tough English in it. So I think it's all clear to you. The greatest revenge is to accomplish what others say you cannot do. And in easy English, it's like do whatever that others says you cannot do. So let's move to the next language, that is Urdu, and it's my native language. और अगर आप मुकम्मल वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, और फुल वीडियो जो है वो मेरे सेकंड चैनल पे लाइफ विद इफ्रा सैयद, और उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया, वहाँ से देख लीजिएगा। और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो मेरे दोनों चैनल जो है उनको सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, और अपनी दुआओं में मुझे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा याद रखा करें। और मुझे जो है ना, नीचे आप लोग बेशक वर्ड्स भी बताएं कि कौन कौन से जो नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स हैं ना वो मैं यूज़ करूँ, यानी कि उनको मैं इंग्लिश, उर्दू और पर्शियन में उनको ट्रांसलेट करूँ, तो वो भी मुझे बताइएगा। और बस दुआओं में लाजमी याद रखिएगा, और मुझे इसी तरह सपोर्ट करते रहें। और मैं मैथमेटिक्स की भी वीडियो जो हैं वो भी मैं साथ साथ अपलोड करती रहूँगी, उसकी आपने टेंशन नहीं लेनी। और बस दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।